Welcome to Not So Easy Acres. Let's finish this coffee, see what we can get into. Getting the last of the hay in for this year. I don't know where I'm going to put it all. About out of room. Cut pretty good. It's 10 acres. Got 52 rolls off this 10 acres. It's my son-in-law, Chris. Helping none of us farm for a living. Yeah. Do it because you got to keep up with it, keep the land up. Got to do something with it. We don't do it for, you know, like I said, we don't do it for a living. So we don't, you know, we try to do it on a budget. That's one good way of saying it, I reckon. That's one good way of saying we're cheap. My old trailer I found in the junk scrap yard. Gave the man scrap price for it, and I don't haul nothing. I don't haul equipment on it. It's too raggedy for that. Old mobile home axles on it. I mainly use it around the place here. This is what I use it for almost exclusively. It's just hauling hay on it, whatever. He's got it set up. Back of the tractor got a little pull bar on it. He can back up to the trailer, and he can carry it with him. If the haul's too far, he can carry it with him. You know, cut down on his travel time. What's that? He's gonna try to run over me. I just got my first cab tractor in forever. That thing will spoil you. Never had one. I always just had open cab tractors. My tractors my uncle left. He farmed his whole career with a 59 Ford tractor and a 49 Ford tractor. It's the only two tractors he ever farmed with. Had 400 and some odd acres. That's all he ever farmed with. Cut some timber one time. The tax man made him buy a new tractor, keep from giving it to Uncle Sam. And but he wouldn't use it because his gates wasn't wide enough for the tractor to go through. And it wasn't but a Ford 4630. Anyway, you had to meet him. It's just a little short, couple curves, get to the field, back here to the hay pile. Oh, I'm too busy filming, I gotta get my gate open. So hey, Chris. playing on his phone won't come work. Son's a getter. Starting to get a little windy here in Georgia. About to run out of dang room. Better not run over me. Come on in. Hey, Chris. You're a pretty good looking man. Yeah, it is. That's what I need. Well, y'all, that is my hay season for 2023. What I got to do next is I got to get it covered up, and I got to turn the cows into the pasture to clean up some of the leftovers.